I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car. Park on level ground, engine off, handbrake engaged, and key removed so nothing moves. Once done, put the transmission in neutral and grip the base of the shift boot with one hand to keep it steady. With the other hand, inspect under the boot for a small retaining clip or a threaded collar. This is what holds the knob. You feel and see how it's fastened. This knowledge guides whether you'll pry, unclip, or unscrew next. You now remove the knob assembly. If you found a clip, insert a thin, flat tool under the boot edge and pry gently from two opposite sides until it releases. Lifting evenly prevents breakage. If it's threaded, stabilize the boot with one hand and turn the knob counterclockwise with the other, using steady force rather than jerks. Take care around cables and sensor wires. If you feel resistance beyond normal, stop and reevaluate so you don't strip threads or crack plastic components. You finish by disconnecting any wiring harness or small shift lock pin tucked beneath the knob. Press any release tab and slide connectors free. Once detached, clean the mating surfaces of grease and debris so the replacement seats correctly. Apply light grease or thread tape if threads are worn. If reinstallation binds or shifting sticks, make sure the detent spring and linkage are aligned and that no clips were lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.